Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. During the wildfire season, it might seem like a good time to upgrade your HVAC or furnace filter. You might be wondering which filter will be best for wildfire smoke. While it is true that a MERV 13 filter will help reduce smoke, for many systems this filter is too restrictive without the proper adjustments. The primary job of a furnace filter is to protect the equipment, not to purify the air. Basic filters just captured large particles which would help extend the life of the blower motor. Higher rated filters have now become available, capturing smaller particles like bacteria, viruses, and smoke. Before upgrading the filter, it's best to consult an HVAC technician to prevent any damage to your system. In this episode, we'll learn more about the MERV rating, pressure drop, and filter thickness, so you can better understand what is needed for an upgrade. MERV stands for Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value. It is a rating system used to measure how well a furnace or HVAC filter can capture particles of different sizes. MERV 1 to 4 offers basic filtration of dust and lint. MERV 5 to 8 provides better filtration and can capture pet dander and mold spores. MERV 9 to 12 removes a wider range of particles, including fine dust, pollen, and some bacteria. MERV 13 to 16 provides even higher levels of filtration and are capable of removing very small particles, smoke, and even some viruses. However, most furnaces will not be compatible with these filters. Each furnace is optimized to be used with an air filter of a specific thickness and MERV rating. The blower motor strength and speed, as well as the ducting size, all affect the airflow inside of the system. Installing a higher rated filter with more restriction will cause the pressure to drop. Without enough airflow, there is more heat and more stress on the components, which can reduce the lifespan of your furnace motor. As well, a highly restrictive or clogged filter can trip the limit switch and prevent the furnace from running. Some filters will show a WG rating, which stands for inches of water gauge. This indicates how much resistance the filter adds to the airflow that passes through it. The initial resistance is the amount of restriction when the filter is fresh. As the filter collects dust, the restriction will increase over time. Once the filter is saturated, it will need to be replaced. The thickness of a furnace filter can directly impact the airflow. If we compare two filters of the same MERV 8 rating, the 1-inch and the 4-inch filters will capture the same amount of particles. However, the 4-inch filter has a greater surface area, which means there is less restriction to the airflow. 1-inch filters are more restrictive, as the same amount of air will be concentrated through a smaller surface area. Since there is less material, the 1-inch filter will take less time to become fully saturated with dust. A 4-inch filter will cost more, but will also last longer. To upgrade your filter to a higher MERV rating and a larger thickness, you'll likely need to upgrade the filter housing. To see what upgrades are possible for your system, consult an HVAC technician. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.